Here in this question we are given the number of revolution that is equals to 600 revolutions per minute. We are given the power of that is equals to 30 horsepower. We are given the value of R that is equals to 0.13 inch. So from here we can say that W is equals to 2 pi n divided by 60. So this will become equals to 2 pi and is given to us that is equals to 600 divided by the 60. Solving this term we get the value of W that is equals to 20 pi radian per second. So this is the value of W from here. Now from here we can say that P is given that is equals to 30 horsepower, which is further multiplied by the 550 feet lb per second divided by 1 horsepower. So solving this term we get the value of P that is equals to 16500 feet lb per second. So this is the value of P from here. Now from here we have to find out the torque.